we'll guide you through how to get Gmail notifications on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail's website, signing into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Gmail inbox, look towards the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to navigate to the full settings page. Next, look for the General tab, which should be open by default, and scroll down until you see the section labeled Desktop Notifications. Here, you'll have options to enable new mail notifications on or important mail notifications on. Select the one that best suits your needs, depending on whether you want to be notified of every new email or just the important ones. After making your choice, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. If prompted by your browser, make sure to allow notifications from Gmail. This is crucial because without this permission, the notifications won't appear on your desktop. Now with these settings, whenever you receive new or important emails, you'll get a notification pop-up on your computer screen, ensuring you never miss an important message again. It's a great way to stay on top of your emails without constantly checking your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.